IPL आणि बॅटिंग आता लोकांक नवे उरूक ना। गोंयांत IPLच्यो मॅची नात, पूण बॅटिंगे खातीर गोंय हे बुकींग सेफ डेस्टिनेशन दिसता आसत म्हूण गोंयांत रावन बॅटिंग करपाचेर तांचो भर। गोंय पुलिसांनी मेळिल्ले माहितीच्या आधारार कारवाय केली। हाचे पयलीं अंजुण्या सोमारा 17 एप्रिलाक बॅटिंग करपी तिगांक धरिल्ले।
And we could successfully get around 12 mobile phones. We got 2 laptops and we got a notebook where they wrote the betting amount and the person whom they have collected the bets. And we could arrest 2 persons in this case. The 2 person names are Chandrashekar Thakur, he is from Chattisgarh, and Lalit Shyam is from Haryana. Both these persons are arrested under Goa Gambling Act, and we have added section 420 IPC also because there could be the involvement of cheating. Now both the persons are taken for the remand and we have asked for the police custody. Here we'll be now analyzing the all the 12 mobiles. We'll be studying the call details and we'll be studying the total analysis of the mobile, and in case further offenses are made out, for example if the SIM card which is used are stolen one or mobiles are stolen on one, so this investigation will go on, and in this some other person is involved in this case, that also we will try to find out. Whenever we get information of betting, we will definitely raid. So information is needed and we are collecting and we are very proactively going towards curbing this IPL betting.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओंकार फरारी।